arguments for the importance of money. There are many viewpoints on money. The notion that money is the source of all evil and that it can't buy happiness is on one end of the spectrum. On the other hand, there is a sizable financial sector full of wealth-building professionals competing for your attention. Money is vital, whether you like it or not. Here are 10 causes. Number 1. The impact of money changed the world. Our world would be much different if money hadn't evolved to become the dominant form of exchange. Archaeology suggests that about the first millennium CE, coins composed of lead, copper, silver, and gold appeared in regions including Asia, North Africa, and Europe. There are several explanations for this, including the fact that coins were strong, portable, and valuable by nature. Various groups of people might trade with one another. Money might be readily controlled by political forces as well. Without money, our economies would probably be considerably smaller, and we would still be using the barter system. Number 2. Better goods and services may be obtained with money. To pay for products and services, we require cash. In addition, we need money to make improvements. Think about a smartphone. Though it is referred to as a phone, it is actually much more. It was made feasible by money. You wouldn't have that phone in your pocket if not for financing at every stage of the development process, including design, software development, and security upgrades. The same holds true for advancement in almost every sector. All newly developed goods and services have a cost. 3. Having money may make you happier. It appears that the adage "money can't buy happiness" is untrue. A well-known study from 2010 showed that life satisfaction rises with money. It's interesting that they discovered that when people made $75,000, emotional well-being, which measures happiness along with life satisfaction, reached a plateau. The Wharton School re-examined the issue in 2021 and came to the conclusion that well-being did increase with money, even above $75,000 in income. There's little question that researchers will keep looking at this connection. Number 4. Having money frees you from having to labor to survive. Why does money provide happiness to people? There are several causes. First off, you are no longer dependent on labor for survival. Even without a backup plan, you can leave your job if you detest it. If you lose your job, it won't ruin your life. In a sense, having money buys you freedom and the ability to choose what you want to accomplish. Number 5. Money allows for richer life experiences. Many people only consider the actual items that money may purchase, but it can also be utilized to purchase experiences that are not tangible. Family travels every summer or throughout the holidays are frequently remembered fondly. Having enough cash made those travels only conceivable. As a result of the fact that money enables you to do more activities, it is connected to pleasure and life satisfaction. Number 6. Money enables families to support one another. People who achieve in life almost always receive assistance. Many people rely on their relatives for financial support. Jeff Bezos received $300,000 from his parents to launch Amazon. Exchanges of money are typical even among families with non-billionaire members. A person can be more helpful to family or friends who are in need the more money they have. Although it can lead to complicated family dynamics, this is significant for many families. Number 7. Financial stress is lessened by money. People frequently experience stress related to their finances. Consequences for your bodily and emotional health may result from it. Numerous studies have linked depression, anxiety, and poverty. Money still causes worry even for those who are not destitute. Financial stress is greatly diminished when a person's finances are steady. Stable finances indicate less stress, but they may still suffer financial concern. Number 8. Finances often help communities grow. Funding is necessary for community-focused organizations. Small or large, all gifts are important. For many groups, obtaining grants and funding from the government is crucial. Without money, many services, including food banks, shelters for victims of domestic abuse, after-school programs, and others, would vanish overnight. Number 9. Having money makes it easier to create money. There will probably be more than simply they worked incredibly hard or they obtained a high-paying job when you read tales about how a 30-year-old became a billionaire. Most frequently, they've had a significant cash boost along the way. It frequently results from real estate purchases or stock market investments. This costs money. Given the cycle of poverty, wanting funds to generate money makes sense. The difficulty for those without financial support to break out of the cycle has repeatedly been demonstrated by research. Number 10. Violence is determined by who has money and who doesn't. How financially stable a place is directly relates to how safe it is. Martin Daly, a retired psychology professor at McMaster University in Ontario, claims that inequality is a stronger predictor of murder rates than other factors. Keep in mind that poverty is not the same as income disparity. Because there are a variety of income levels, income disparity may breed mistrust, social unrest, and ultimately violence. This is crucial to understand because, even in areas where nobody is categorized as poor, there is still a chance of violence if there is a high level of disparity. This notion that eradicating poverty will also eradicate crime is disputed. According to research, inequality is the larger problem. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.